Hey guys, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. This is going to be a real quick video on what exactly is Apis Biologix. So Apis Biologix is a Canadian company that kind of did some innovative research. They approached bee feeding from what I think is a different viewpoint. We always hear about bee feeding and what's good for the bees and you know, about bee biology, but the fact of the matter is that's a coexistence, right? So bees derive their nectar and pollen from floral sources and plants. So Apis Biologix approached it from the aspect of, well, what's in floral nectar and what's in floral pollen? And Apis Biologix uses the compounds that are scientifically found in pollen and in nectar to supplement your feed. So I've been using it for a while and I just wanted to show you what my bees do with it. Well, I mixed up some feed this morning and obviously added my Apis Biologix biocontrol to it, and I want to show you what's going on in here. Even the yellow jackets like it. See, even the yellow jackets are in here getting it. Well, they think it's delicious, so order your Apis Biologix products from www.beewares.co. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you tonight at 8 o'clock.